Hi, it's Mark, Urban Automotive.
And Claire from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. We're here to talk about brake calipers and how they work and why they fail today.
So this is a bad brake caliper. As you can see, there's a rubber here that's distorted and the amount of pads that have worn out. So this is from the other side. These are a set of pads. And as you can see, these are measuring at about 7 or 8 millimeters. This one here that's worn out because of a faulty caliper is down to 2 millimeters and even barely 1 millimeter here. We call that paper thin. This is your caliper, this is your brake rotor. Your brake rotor sits inside here, just like that. And the caliper moves every time you put your foot on the brake, squeezes the pads, and that's what stops the car. To give you a better understanding, we have a caliper here with the piece of wood. As you see, there's nothing here. There's a piston that comes here that comes in and out every time you put your foot on the brake. If we can zoom in there, I'm going to apply some air into the hose, which is simulating brake fluid that when you put your foot on the brake always travels through this hose and pushes this piston out. Cameraman, are you zoomed in? And as I apply now, you see how that piston comes out and stops that. Once you release, the piston goes back in. Can we do it again? Watch how it comes out. And as I release the air, you can slowly see that that piston releases. It backs up a bit. The wood's not perfectly straight, but it's catching on there, but that's how that works. When the piston goes bad, it doesn't return back. So every time you're applying the brake, that piston is coming further out, and it's not releasing. The brake has a drag. It burns out the pads in terms of thickness comparison. And it will burn out future brakes unless this caliper and hose is replaced. It's one of the things that goes through all the different seasons: hot, cold, water, salt, snow, beach sand. Eventually little debris can get in there. It seizes up the caliper. It doesn't work properly. You have 4 of them on your car. There's the seal there. That's all destroyed.
The seal allows the salt and corrosion to come in.
And prevents the piston from moving in and out. Thanks for watching Urban Automotive.
Safety first.